ndị be anyị daalụ nọ nsị ka nkwukọ okwu a na okwu amakwu onwe a afọ mgbe Ifechukwu na-egwunye nga mgbe onye Iselukwu mgbe onye Idumile ife Anioma asọchi nne mbido okwu Anioma since 2009 ka nnọrị ụlọ akwụkwọ shi nne gbaa mmanya na ife ndị Urobo eme anyị na owuhe anyị shi nne na anyị adịga big enough ka ndị oyibo si wee kwuo ebo a state on our own. And ka when I was Senator Nelly bido okwu steeti ya ọsụ anyị ba sọrịa m ba sụọ m ba sị o na Chukwu daalụ na onye si from local government m bịa na ya bụ ife ememe ife mana ka o sizi eme na ife wuhem ni ijege create state ọ bụkwa local government ọ bụ na hide and seek ka unu ga na-eme tinye aka wepụ ụkwụ ujeko public hearing anyị anụnụnụ selecti na ya bụzi onye selecti ọ bring it to the open. Our traditional rulers not carried along. Ndị wa carry along with traditional rulers ọ bụ na they can't see beyond their nose. I'm sorry to say that. Ndị ọ bụ na ọ na-enwe ike ekwu eziokwu nwa ha mma ife asagba gwa ka o jefua state creating a state is an Herculean task. Therefore you must carry everybody along. Ikwe ndị esuwe ni onye 1 naira na-eme n'onwe wakpọm onye yi ndị ọ bụ na ned enyi na wama nwikeri wabịaza WhatsApp wee kwụsite etete ekwu ka ọgwụwa mana ife anyị agwa ned bụ na we must create this state and we must create it within the ambit of the law, within the principles that governs state creation, that everybody, when you talk about referendum, give a referendum. Referendum is that everybody, all voices, every voices must be recognized, and not one stupid idiot to see maybe I'm on a bus gabia sinobu media merchant game wiki na makano on emagano who use one pocolor phone a day for then Facebook and WhatsApp. All of a sudden we are na Igbo kanyebo na hebu Igbo unity Igbo united ekuzi Igbo united abia ekwu na Anioma anyị ga-akwụsịkwa alụ ndị a emeni. Senator Ned, we like you. Just that your handlers, they are your biggest problem. They are the one pushing you into some of the mistakes you make, because you create a state is a welcome development. We like it, and we are telling you that it's a categorical no that we are not going to the southeast. We are good here in the south. We are very good in the south. Only if we is the southeast, we will protest. We will occupy everywhere to tell whoever. And I know that the president cannot create Anioma state against the wishes of the people. We are not timid. Anioma people, we are well learned and educated. We have read through everything, all the principles that talks about state creation, the town hall meetings, everything that has to do with the state, the creation of state. We know that you have not even gone 1 quarter. Public hearing, you are going to you with a selected few who does not even have a face, who does not even know what state is all about. So I just say let me chip in this today so that Senator must understand this. And now we are asking, what if before 2027 the Anioma state is not created? What if is a very big question. Let me end it here. My name is Comrade Victor Guyenga Dalon.
You see, I am not a medical doctor. I learned that psychologically, before a doctor will tell you the problem you are having after diagnosis, they will use the word subtle word like, sorry, madam, you are having, you are having a mental issue, or you are barren, or they discover that you have cancer. But in my own case, I'm just a brutal, truthful person. I don't know how to do political correctness. I will tell you the way it is. And that is why I'm glad that my brother Almighty always go all out by calling people Ozwai. That is the truth. I don't know how to tell a madman that he's not mad, because I don't want it to feel guilty. You're a madman, you're a madman. Ibo. There's no two ways about it. Since we start trying to paint evil, not to make others feel hurt, that is why we get to where we are today. Somebody sent me the video and the person wanted me to comment. I've been trying as much as I can not to respond to this guy's video, because to me, I'm giving them relevance. by trying to respond to them. But sometimes, don't mind them is why we get to where we are today. Because as you are still giving them opportunity, they have audacity to be going around saying the things they are saying and misbehaving the way they are misbehaving. It is that freedom that made people start making transgender. Today, if they say they are not Igbo, leave them now. If they say they are not Igbo, we're not going to leave them anymore. That is the truth. Because them too are saying we are Benin and they are not leaving us. So we're not going to say leave them anymore. Leave them, it is a free world. That is why transgender started existing. I repeat again. And people are going as far as changing their genitals, their biological essence from male to female, female to male. And if the law supports it, why not? You that is saying that your name is Ifechukwude, and you are speaking Igbo, using Igbo to deny Igbo, it is a shame at your age. It is a shame. And when you ask people that, then they say, we speak similar things with Igbo. What is similar? Why don't you speak similar to the place you come from? If your name is Nosakare now or Igbonsa, it will be easier for us to understand truly that we are not an Igbo person. In case you're hearing my voice, I'm from Onitshubo. A stone throw, in fact, not a stone throw, a footwalk to Iseluku. The same as a Chime. So this guy that is speaking from Iseluku is my own brother by the historical evidence. But let me tell you what changes that Iseluku are denying as a Chime today. Because automatically we can deduct from the reality that the royal house of Iseluku are from Benin. But the people they are ruling are not from Benin. Yes, now, this same guy went and fought Ngozi Ugobets. He fought him. When you could not present fact and evidence, when you could not argue with fact and evidence, he resorted into fact. And I've said it time without number. When people start fighting you over an argument, they have lost it. Yes, now, it's when you lost it, you now resort into physical assault. Now, what am I saying? You have rights to do affidavit. The law supports it. If you can do affidavit, remove Ifechukwude from your name. Remove Iseluku, which is an Igbo word, from your name. At least start speaking Benin or any other language. Then we will take you serious. This is 21st century, my brother. This is not the time of Ezetime. This is not 17th century. You have two languages that you are speaking now, English and Enuani, which is a sub-dialect of Igbo. But even if you think it's not Igbo, even if you think it's not Igbo, you have right to stop speaking it at all. Stop without saying it's similar. No, don't say similar things to Igbo again. So that if anybody commit crime, we know say no be Igbo man commit crime. Nigerian government can boldly say that if that Nosakere committed a crime, or person from Igala or Urobo committed a crime, so that they won't give you a name and be saying he's a Delta Igbo. Now I want to go by his narrative. If you want to accept anything in life, accept it completely. Do not take the one you don't want. Nnama asina anu ya sinyamanli yaman jieze we care. Of anu ya sinyamanli wajigodu milia to ofe fu yamanli di ofe. Imali okoisi rio kodudu lueti tisinoke ninu. Anama no onye anasi ni yabo onye Igbo. Na anu ife nne kwa ọnụ asụsụ nna asụ n'inu uche ntụ. Maka onye watu ali inu kọwala ego aji nụ nna na n'iyi. Ọsụkwa na ego aji nụ nne na n'iyi na ọ da anụzi Igbo maka ife nne ekwu ya gwazi anyị. Ọkwasị na ya bụ onye Igbo ya gwazi anyị. You cannot eat rat the head and the tail and reject the center. That is what I'm saying in case you don't hear. Ọ bụ na ịnụ na koke lachakwa ya ike. That time is in our insult. It's not an insult. We are telling you the state of yourself. You accept to be an Anioma person, which you agree that is coined by Chief Chude Osadebe. Dennis Osadebe is the one who coined the car Anyocha Okwani and Ndokwa and coined them to become Anioma. Now, in the history of Chude himself, the Dennis Osadebe accept to be an Igbo man. You want to accept the Anioma that Dennis coined to be called Anioma, which is an Igbo word. But you don't want to accept Dennis' way. No, you must reject to be an Anioma person. You must. It's M-U-S-T. You can't be saying, I want Anioma to be graded, but you don't want it to go southeast. Does it make sense to you? You would have chosen another name. You are just trying to play. I don't know. That's why I say you be very baby, because there's nothing you are trying to play. It's not a smart game at all. 99% of you guys who say that you want Anioma, but you don't want it to go to southeast because you don't want to be called an Igbo person. That is the truth. Because we know that it's not that going to southeast is the problem. Just that you know that going to southeast makes you an Igbo person automatically. 99% of you people, if you are Tinubu, will you create a state and leave it in South to become 7 states, while your own locality, your own place is CC state? Let me know how sincere you are. Because you guys don't think. I told you, I said before, I said this thing. When somebody have hatred, envy, and jealousy, he does not see. You see, hatred, envy, jealousy blind their eyes. You can't see, you can't reason. It shut down your medulla oblongata. You will not be able to reason. But let me reason for you. Let me tell you now. Let me think for you. If you are Tinubu, knowing that Southwest has 6 states, and the reason why you want to create a state for the South is to balance the equation. There are 5, you want to make it 6. Will you create a state that you still want to call a Southeastern state and leave it in South to become 7 states? Have you solved the problem, or have you cheated yourself? Who is the president? Let me know how sincere any of you are, including this guy making this video. I cannot 1 year and 2 from here to tomorrow. You can't be saying you want Anioma, but you don't know the reason. Again, you are angry that taking it to Southeast, you want to remain in South. The same South was the make of another Igbo man. You are called South today by another Igbo man. It was former Chief Dr. Alex Ekweme, former Vice President under the Second Republic of Nigeria, under the government of Shehu Shagari, that decided to name this our region today, South. On the panel that he told Abacha to receive it in 1997. So if this guy is above 28 years old, you will agree with me that he was born in the year when this our region, Anioma, is called Midwest. So we are formerly called Western Nigeria, now called Midwest, now called South. What is wrong if they still change the same place to be called Southeast? But he knows that they will call him an Igbo person. This is the problem we have in 21st century, when people are blind to reason because they hate themselves. See, this is a hate on yourself, not on Igbo as a general. As a general, I said before, once you have hate against the people, once you have jealousy, you are blind, you don't see. A man said that the world is flat, at the end you see, when you walk through that end, you will fall in. But another man decided to give it a try and get to the end, and father said, no, it is not true. And this was discovered logically before the time of space, before the time of aircraft, before the time of rocket, before the time of drone, before people start living in space. Man, logically. So, Onye Jesuko of Ozoka, if this guy has walked around the Nigeria, he would have known that he's a pure Igbo man. No wonder great researchers said traveling is best form of education. If this guy has traveled to make research, travel for adventure, he would have known that his 4 corner or certificate he had is a waste. He doesn't have sense. And this is not an insult, like I keep repeat. He just tell you that you don't have sense. Common sense is not common. If it's common, you would have known. Let this guy travel to, I know I've said it time without number, but I've been to 774 local governments. By the virtue of my travel in the 7 years, I know Nigeria more than so many people that speaks. That's by experience, not by they say. Let me give you an example. Go to cities like Akwanga, Nasarawa Ego, Same, Garaku. These are towns in Nasarawa. Or go to Plateau, people like Birium, Mangu, Lantan, Panshi. Go to those places. And if you reach there, Don't tell them the state you come from. Speak your dialect, which you say is not Igbo. Speak your dialect. Tell them your name. Let me know where they will classify you. Let me know who they will call you. Because this one doesn't know dialect. These guys don't know dialect. One man in Asuika, one man in Asuenuani, one man in Asunsuka, one man mobu Izaki in Asu, one man mobungwa. If you speak, they can tell that you're speaking Igbo. Kaimalba can classify you put. I was explaining to you that the man who thought that the earth is flat, do you not know that if you have traveled just a distance, you would have known that the earth is spherical? If you have traveled, if you have made a move, you would have known that the earth is spherical, not round. Even before the coming of rocket, before the coming of digital system camera for people to travel out of the space and snap. Just a little traveling, a little movement, logically you begin to know, no. That end I'm seeing is not the end. The world is not just flat. This is it. If you travel, you will begin to know whether what I'm saying is truth. But you are limited yourself within from your parlor to your kitchen. Or maybe highest, you go from Muiseluku to Asaba. You have concluded you know it all. This is the problem we have in 20th century. And this is because the Southeastern Igbo helped you to become one. Yes, because they were forcing everybody to be speaking Central Igbo. So this guy now, if you want to make comparison, he make comparison of his own dialect, or make comparison with Central Igbo, forgetting that every Igbo clan in the Southeast have different dialects. That in Kanu does not speak the same thing with Udi. And Udi does not speak the same thing with Abugo. And Abugo does not speak the same thing with Obogugu. Obogu does not speak the same thing with Agbani. Agbani does not speak the same thing with Oji River. Oji River does not speak the same thing with Okonano. Okonano does not speak the same thing with Nike. Nike does not speak the same thing with Nsuka. Nsuka does not speak the same thing with Obolafo. Neighbors does not speak the same thing. Just like today, on Chubo, Niseluku Ada Swo Fife Moneno and Kaina Pawancha. Because Niseluku on Chubabu Ada Swo Fife. Yes, even our culture are not the same, and I one. Oh, we face a look at the man. I want to go in a yafu. On to do festival, Potopoto Katime, Nisa Lukuji powder women kewe. So, are we doing the same thing? No. But are we going to say we are no more brothers? No. The Iseluku people, once the royal throne and those who supported problem started when Onchubo took the Diopale Zechime from them, and we must have to set the record straight. Because growing up, Iseluku has prided herself to be the headquarters of Ezechime clan. But suddenly, in the last 10 years plus, I begin to hear what there is there, that Ezechime itself is a king in Iseluku. How? Your father suddenly becomes a citizen. This is where the problem starts from. Iseluku has prided himself to be the head of the clan. But Onchubo just came, they said, no, that this thing you are doing, you want to pass the header. And Onchubo went and wrote in their signboard, Diopale Ezechime. Since that day, Iseluku became envious of the situation. And to change the history, they want to feel superior by attaching themselves to, by remembering that from Benin. We know this truth, and we must come and bring it to the bear. If this guy said they lie, make it tell me when they started. People, you want to accept your South given to you by an Igbo person, but you don't want to accept the Igbo man. You must accept the Igbo man too. How can you accept a name given to you by an Igbo man? South suddenly has become your tribe and your origin. If he has the name, what is origin? They tell you say is inter-trading, is the marketing. Igbo people force people. Tell us the Igbo clan that force you, because we are not speaking like anybody in the Southeast. Yes. Tell me the dialect you are speaking. Which Igbo clan forced you to be speaking like them? Igbos have been doing trade with Efik and Ibibio. Has it changed? But you can't see any of them. They can't say Igbo force them because no record anywhere where Igbo force anybody to speak their language. Instead, it's the Benin that is talking about that force us. But they say Nedi is not picking people that does not have faith. So you will be picked. You that is a confused person will be picked to go and defend the Anioma cause. Why would they pick you and your kings? Why? The nomination involve all the kings. People they call the technical committee involve all the kings. The videos are there. Yes, the videos are there. Would they choose you? Would they choose you above Barrister Osito Ghana, who was formerly PRO, Public Relation Officer to the Hanes Igbo, who is a barrister and a make man in journalism? Would they pick you out of it? That was the man that speak on behalf of the Anioma people in Uyo. The second public speaker was Barrister Chief Amechi Okoba, a millionaire as of 1996, was choosing to speak on behalf of Anioma people in Enugu. Who are you then that they should consult you and you are king? Who are you? No, tell me who are you? Now you are saying it's Igbo unity. For your information, we started Igbo unification February 2024. Anioma was proposed in April. So who is ahead? See the newspaper publication. As of February, we declare ourselves that we that organize ourselves in this meeting, this conference, we are going to unify the Igbos. We never even know say part of that Anioma state will come up. And when we say we want to unify the Igbos, we are not talking about Anioma state. It's not in the equation. We want to unify the Igbos in 30 states. That the time of Nigeria lying to us, the Igbos are only in the 5 states, has gone. That I'm an Igbo person, even there from Ontubo. And that's what Organa has stated. There is an Igbo person. And that's why the president went to Rivers, that we are Igbo person. If Igbo are all part of domination, they wouldn't have given it to a River State person. They would have said the organizers should stay in Southeast. They wouldn't have given it to our person in Anioma, because the president has reached us and somebody anchored it on our own time. So what are you talking about? These excuses are flimsy. The high time you know that you are on the wrong side of history, the best. That's why none of you can answer my question. If you are Tunubu, can you create a state and leave it in South-South, making South-South 7 states, and leaving your own region, which is Southwest, to be 6 states? And the problem you want to solve by creating a state, the Southeast, you do not solve it because a certain people say they don't want to be called Igbo. Who are thou? Who are you? What's in a boss? Even our fathers, when we misbehave, called us also in the house. They are not cursing us. They are telling us our state at that moment when we misbehave, when we cannot think straight. Yes, when a child misbehaves, his father has the right to curse him or insult. This is only when uche. If you opening with common sense, you would have think out of the box. Politically, you would have known that it's not possible to create a state and live in South-South. That is the politics. In fact, they like Anioma. If you love Anioma, you would have think out of it. I know you hate yourself because you think you hate Igbo. It's self-hate. You hate yourself so much, it blind your eyes. You could not see. Jealousy and envy, hatred blind your eyes. You hated Igbo. You hated yourself so much, thinking you hate Igbo. That's why you can't see. You can't reason. Your brain short. You cannot put 1 or 2 in the box. And all the questions I ask in this video, none of you can answer me. It's not about pointing finger to Ned Nwoko. Even if Ned Nwoko is not there, people are going to do it because when the time is ripe, people are going to do it. When we write the proposal to drop for Ndi Asobia draw the proposal to drop in the House of Rep, we didn't know Ned Nwoko will pick it up. Nobody knows it's going to be like this. But when the time is right, everything will fall into place. And all of you that is doing this thing, if Anioma state is greater, you will still fill the form as I start it. If you are a Southeastern. If the Book community, who are a Gala by ancestry, are not fighting against it, if the Olukumi people, the Okunzu people, who are Yoruba by ancestry, are not fighting, who are down? May they come consult you, may they come pick you so that you go there and talk nonsense and jeopardize the situation because you want self-inflicted hatred upon you. You want to rub it upon everybody. They will sideline you. You wake up and see yourself in Southeast and you can't do nothing about it. That's why I said in the initial time when you said they are hiding it. I was one who make a video saying the Benin guys that are fighting in Igbo should go to public hearing. I was one who made video. I tell them to go to public hearing and stop Igbo not to fight about it. Igbo people in Edo State are denying or even telling you with fact and evidence that Igbo, you that is far away, are claiming to be Benin. I said it time with that number. If the royal family of Iseluku is from Benin, let them go to Benin or let them declare their intention. Yes, we know say we here, our lineage DNA prove that we are Benin origin, but we know that people they are ruling are not. But you guys are afraid because if you say it, it's high time few people start dragging a lot of people to where they are not. And I said it, if you really want to prove that you are not Igbo, change your name, change your language, change your culture. Kusi Waji, Nandi Binada Waji. The first time Benin ever do Yam Festival was last year here. So if you come from Benin, why are you doing Iwaji? Igbo force you quite awful. Did Igbo force you to do Iwaji? On assimilation make you produce the culture. Stop it, stop Iwaji. Una wazi nine. Una wazi no Igbo. Una wazi naji. Kusi name osisi. Una me fendi Benin, me Igbo festival. Kaimanu ni una brandi Igbo. Amali na kande buseli wa bonde gala kande luku museli wa bondi Yoruba na luku museli un bondi in the Benin. That is it. We not say na Benin that our location here. Can't be dragging, few of you will be dragging us backward because of their ignorance. I'm out of here, Joe.